Scroll, scroll, scroll. We all know the rhythm of the feed. Then a video interrupts the pattern, demanding you stop because your presence here is no accident. The creator delivers a specific, bold claim. Of the thousands of messages moving past you right now, you are seeing this one because only future millionaires would stop to listen. Out of the millions of people online, most keep scrolling. Why do some of us stop and start to believe that an algorithmic recommendation is actually a personal message from the universe? This diagram shows the logic behind the video. This is a psychological funnel. It begins by capturing thousands of generic viewers at the top and uses specific filters to narrow that group down toward a single intended outcome at the bottom. That feeling of destiny is the first stage of this sequence. It reframes a random encounter with a piece of content as a significant, personalized event. The script begins by targeting the viewer's intuition. It claims that stopping to watch isn't a choice, but a sign of recognition, as if your internal identity is already vibrating at the frequency of wealth. The mathematical reality is much simpler. These videos are broadcast to a massive audience, relying on the statistical certainty that a small percentage of people will pause on the video at any given moment. To bridge the gap between mass broadcast and a personal connection, the creator uses intimate framing, telling you that something inside of you already resonates with these ideas. When algorithmic luck is redefined as personal fate, the viewer's critical defenses begin to lower. This allows the narrative to move into psychological territory. The script now works to isolate you from the average person. It flatters you, suggesting that your tolerance for small thinking has dropped and that you've evolved beyond the survival mindset of the crowd. This is an illustration of the Barnum effect. It describes how humans take generic, broadly positive statements and process them as if they were written specifically for their unique personality. The video mentions a desire for more freedom, more independence, and more control. These are universal human desires, yet the script presents them as evidence of your own rare, enlightened state of mind. This flattery creates a division. It places you in an in-group of future millionaires, distinct from those other people who are only focused on immediate bills and survival. By convincing you that you possess unique awareness, the creator builds a foundation of trust. You are now far more likely to accept the claims that come next. At this point, the script makes its most significant pivot. It argues that building wealth has absolutely nothing to do with effort or labor, and everything to do with perspective. This chart compares two views of success. One side holds rigid blocks of traditional labor and time. The other holds abstract orbs of perspective. For the funnel to work, labor must be discarded. If wealth requires effort, the viewer doesn't need a miracle. To sell a supernatural shortcut, the creator must first convince the audience that traditional, hard-earned progress is no longer the answer. Once you accept that wealth is effortless, your mind begins searching for an external catalyst, some outside force or ritual, to bridge the gap between your current reality and your future fortune. The video now reaches its climax. The creator introduces a money spell ritual and provides a link in the description, promising that this ritual is responsible for promotions, raises, and paid bills. We can now see the full progression of the funnel. It moves the viewer from a passive scroller to a chosen individual, to an enlightened thinker, and finally into a customer. The preceding minutes of flattery and talk of destiny were designed to create the emotional state necessary for this specific transaction. The sign from the universe wasn't a cosmic event. It was a calculated series of psychological steps leading a viewer toward a sales link. The video uses the word awareness to mean a belief in fate, but real awareness is digital literacy, the ability to see how these videos are constructed. In this economy, your attention and your financial hopes are assets. Creators use specific scripts to harvest those assets and turn them into revenue. The sophisticated copywriting in these videos bypasses logic by speaking directly to our deepest insecurities. It turns a mass-produced script into a powerful, persuasive tool for conversion. True financial empowerment comes from understanding the world as it is, starting with the psychological machinery operating right in front of you.